Ultimia Skywave X40 5.1.2 surround sound system. Let's begin by carefully opening the box. Take out the items from the box one by one. We provide all cables for you, no need to buy them separately. Now, let's assemble the sound bar. Step 1. Align the joints of the 3 parts. Step 2. Twist to connect. Plug the power cord into the sound bar. Plug the power cord into the subwoofer. The subwoofer has been paired with the soundbar by factory. If there is no sound coming from the subwoofer, you need to repair the soundbar with the subwoofer. If the connection is lost, press and hold the Submix button on the remote and the On/Standby button on the subwoofer simultaneously for about 5 seconds. Plug the power cord into the surround speaker. The surround speaker has been paired with the soundbar by factory. If there is no sound coming from the surround speakers, you need to repair the soundbar with the surround speaker. If the connection is lost, press and hold the Surround Level button on the remote and the Pair button on the surround speaker for about 5 seconds. Once successfully paired, the indicator light on the surround speaker will stay solid. For a better listening experience, please lay out the entire system as shown in the video. Then experience the depth and realism of immersive surround sound. Alright. It's time to connect your TV. Firstly, connect to your TV via HDMI eARC output. Please note, Dolby Atmos is exclusively supported through HDMI. Optical and Bluetooth connections do not support Dolby Atmos. HDMI eARC cable included. For optimal performance, use HDMI ARC/eARC if your TV offers an ARC/eARC output. Insert one end of the HDMI cable into your TV's ARC/eARC output port. Then insert the other end into the HDMI eARC port of the soundbar. And connect the power cord to the soundbar. Plug in the power supply. Use the remote control to switch the soundbar mode to eARC by pressing the first one button once. The soundbar's LED will show eARC. For the TV in the video, follow these steps. Navigate to Settings. Sound Output, Receiver, HDMI. The TV's remote control can operate both the soundbar and TV together, allowing you to 1. Power on, off. 2. Adjust the volume. Connect to your TV via optical out better. Please note, Dolby Atmos is exclusively supported through HDMI. Optical and Bluetooth connections do not support Dolby Atmos. Optical cable included. Remove the protective cap from both ends. Insert one end of the optical cable into your TV's optical out port. Note, optical IN ports of the TV are not supported. Remove the protective cap from the fiber optic port on the soundbar. Then insert the other end into the optical port on the back of the soundbar. And connect the power cord to the power port on the back of the soundbar. Plug in the power supply. The soundbar will power on automatically. Using the remote control, switch the soundbar mode to OPT by pressing the first one button twice. For the TV in the video, follow these steps. Settings. Sound output. Optical. Prefer wireless. Here. Bluetooth connection. Connect to your smartphone, via Bluetooth. Please note, Dolby Atmos is exclusively supported through HDMI. Optical and Bluetooth connections do not support Dolby Atmos. Using the remote control, short press to select Bluetooth channel. Turn on Bluetooth setting of your phone. Choose the name of Ultimia Skywave X40 to connect the soundbar. When you hear the voice prompt ding dong from the soundbar, it indicates a successful Bluetooth connection. If your TV has a Bluetooth output, you can also connect the soundbar wirelessly. Connect to your TV via Bluetooth. Please note, Dolby Atmos is exclusively supported through HDMI. Optical and Bluetooth connections do not support Dolby Atmos. Using the remote control, short press to select Bluetooth channel. Turn on your TV's Bluetooth. Choose the name of Ultimia Skywave X40 to connect the soundbar. When you hear the voice prompt ding dong from the soundbar, it indicates a successful Bluetooth connection. You've learned how to connect HDMI, optical and Bluetooth with the soundbar. Still no sound? Don't worry. All it takes is a TV audio format settings. 1. Select Auto for General Audio, Preference. 2. Select Pass-Through for Atmos Audio, only works with HDMI eARC. 3. Select PCM for DTS Audio. TV Auto Setting. Take the example of the TV in the video. Settings. Sound. Expert Settings. Digital Output Audio Format. Auto. TV Pass-Through Setting. Take the example of the TV in the video. Settings. Sound. Expert Settings. Digital Output Audio Format. Pass-Through. TV PCM Setting. Take the example of the TV in the video. Settings. Sound. Expert Settings. Digital Output Audio Format. PCM. Different TVs may have different setup steps. How to set up the soundbar and TV. Normally as below. Settings. Sound. Digital Audio Output. PCM. You already know the basic connections. Another big surprise for the Ultimia Skywave X40, this soundbar can be controlled via the Ultimia Smart app. Now, we'll help you set up a system. If you are not sure about your TV settings, please check our official guide or contact us.